Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Heliox. Heliox contains helium, 79% of helium with 21% of oxygen. The density of heliox or heliox is around 0.14, and uses of heliox are heliox can be used in tracheal and bronchial stenosis, bronchoscopy, and needle thyroidotomy, needle cricothyrotomy. We can use heliox. Summary: Heliox is 79% helium with 21% of oxygen. Heliox, the density is 0.14, and it is used in tracheal and bronchial stenosis, bronchoscopy, and needle cricothyrotomy.
thank you and thank you for watching.